Osaberimba
Osaberimba Royal Awards is an annual Oguaa Traditional Council event initiated by Osaberimba II in partnership with Rich Royal Hotel, associated by all and sundry. It is to seek to recognize businesses and individuals supporting the growth of Cape Coast. Its main objective is to recognize and appreciate businesses and individuals who have supported the growth and development of Oguaa. It is also to create a platform for major industry players in Cape Coast to network, to promote businesses, individual initiatives, and indigenes who are projecting the image of Oguaa.
So out of all the people from the assembly, he was nominated by the Chief Executive Officer, Mayor One. Mr. Amusu, congratulations for your hard work for the assembly.
The awards were grouped into 4 teams with a total number of 59 awards. Some of the categories are entertainment and fashion, media, banking and finance, general business, health, religion, tourism, social, indigenous profession, such as the best fisherman, the best fishmonger, best commercial driver, best barber, best hairdresser.
For Trampon traditionals, when you about
best in Central Region.
Trampon traditionals. Okay, you know, yeah, Trampon traditionals as a papa. Me officer, wahasi CMA. No Sonia award. And Pochawa award was Shada recommended specially for you. And Yaba award.
Yes, the award was in the public sector category. Or honorary award was by Cape Coast Metro Assembly. And they took one of our most performing workers. I'm one of them. And I'm lucky enough to be recognized and I took the award.
Okay, it's Mobian too, isn't it?
I'm Stephen Foley Amuzu. I'm the head of records unit of Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly.
Wow. Internet, no, gidi. Now, I'm a personal DJ. Onya DJ Nisonya
To get award no onya easy o anti onya easy my radio jumana but I dey nezi yakopona ya aduma musu me award ni bi na say hwe bo TV da na yi tu ne ye ifa ne ye bi but nezi yakopona so ye tu ne ye bi.
Nyanis TV was awarded last year for being the media house promoting and projecting Cape Coast and its traditions.
She went the extra mile to teach us how that is done. That is one beautiful thing I will applaud her for. Auntie Nyanis TV.
Yamahana wopo manaba uninara tsirinka womayembo henhu was an impeja Oguaa ma onya kraboshi. Nkaboy fi Nyanis TV. Nyanis TV yamahum enyedado.